This is Tarmac at Wensley Quarry near Leyburn in North Yorkshire. We produce carboniferous limestone in various sizes, up towards 500,000 tonnes per year. We have a variety of mobile plant. At the face we load with an excavator, a tracked excavator. We load that material from the face onto a dump truck, which brings it up to the fixed plant for processing and sizing, and then we have two wheeled loading shovels that load vehicles for outsales and move stock on a daily basis. All the guys have a procedure to go through at the start of the shift to check their vehicle for a variety of things, which includes the condition of the tyres. If the tyre pressures are incorrect, you could ultimately get a tyre blowing out. If a tyre goes bang while one of the vehicles is loading a lorry, it could cause a serious accident, incident and injury to people. So it's vital that the machines are all kept at the right tyre pressures.
The old system was a dial, and it was simply a needle that went round.
They were screwed into the valve of the tyre, giving the operator an indication.
You couldn't tell the difference between one day and the next as to where the needle had actually been. So if you lost 2 or 3 psi, you wouldn't have known that, because you don't know exact place where the needle was yesterday morning to this morning. The new system is a small device that goes onto the tyre gauge, and it operates via Bluetooth. We can check it with a digital reader, and it gives an accurate reading of our tyre pressures first thing on the morning. And it also transmits signals via the Bluetooth to a small receiver in the cab, which monitors our tyre pressures through the day, tyre pressures and our tyre temperatures.
It's very accurate. It can also be set so that these gauges in the cab will give the operator a warning if the tyre pressure suddenly goes below or above preset limits.
It's an easy system. You can whip round and check your tyres. You know exactly what the pressure was yesterday to what it is today, and then you automatically say, oh, well, I've dropped a prayer pound, I better keep an eye on it, or it's identical. And yeah, it is a good system. It's very clever, very clever.
The device also has the capability to measure whether the wheel nuts on the wheels of the machine are starting to go loose. We haven't got that fitted as yet, but Wheelie Safe are working on it. They already have it fitted on HGVs around the country, and it's something that they're looking to develop for heavy mobile equipment that quarries use and plant hire companies would use as well. I think it's just another improvement, another example where we're trying to drive things forward. It takes that uncertainty away from the operator and gives us peace of mind that things are working correctly.